Giovanni Franzoni most commonly refers to the prominent Italian Alpine skier. He has emerged as a major star in the sports, especially with his breakthrough performance in the 2025-26 FIS Alpine Ski World Cup session leading up to the Milan-Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics. He was born in Brescia, Italy, and resides in Manerba del Garda on Lake Garda in Lombardy, a location far from the mountains, which made his entry into competitive skiing somewhat unconventional. He has a twin brother, Alessandro. His family loved sports and his mother encouraged continued skiing, leading them to move to the mountain village of Carisolo for schooling during the winter while returning to the lake in summer. He achieved early success in youth competitions, winning gold in Super G and silver in Giant Slalom at the 2021 Junior World Championships in Bensko. In 2022, he claimed gold in downhill and combined plus bronze in Super G at the Junior World Championships in Panorama and won the overall Europa Cup title. He debuted in the World Cup in 2022 and competed at the 2021 World Championship in Cortina d'Ampezzo. Legendary downhill on the steep course in Kitzbühel, edging out Marco Odermatt, often called skiing Super Bowl. He has shown versatility across discipline and is seen as humble, determined, and a rising force for Italy home's Olympic.